Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Porket yan ay nakasulat sa kasaysayan, magiging batayan at aakusahan yung mga taong wala hong maalaala. Hindi dahil ayaw nilang alalahanin, wala ho silang matandaan kasi hindi pa sila pinapanganak at wala silang karanasan at wala naman silang nararanasan. Anong kailang matatandaan? Base doon sa mga nakasulat. Totoo yung mga nakasulat doon. Tanong, experience. Experiential and acquired knowledge. Paano pag hindi tumugma? Kasi pag sinabi those who could not remember history have the tendency to write a new one. Teka muna. And yun hong sinasabing pagiging revisionist, wala kang matandaan. Not because ayaw mong tandaan, wala ka talagang matandaan kasi wala kang naranasan. Paano mo dinidistort yung bagay? Para doon sa mga walang natatandaan, at sabi nga ni dito, walang natatandaan, ibig sabihin ba, binabago mo na? Dinidistort na ba? Kasi ito general statement na huto Words. Much worse, sabi niya, there are a lot of people who simply do not want to read their history, period. If they don't want to read the history, simply because they probably look at it as a waste. Yun lang ho naman ating sinasabi. Kaya mag-iingat ho tayo. Not because yung budsman ka na, matalino ka, technical, legal, alam mo. What about the logic of what you're saying? May mga iba, pinanganak na noon, naintindihan. Maaari, para sa iba naman, talagang dumanas ho na sinasabing kalbaryo yung buhay nila ng mga panahon. Depende, anong klaseng tao mga ito? Siguro naman, sila ho'y na naging biktima. Depende ho sa dami ng mga na apektado ho sa sinasabi ho ng iba dyan. Pero dito ho, ang hirap ho kasi pag sinabing much worse, there are a lot of people who simply, siguro kabilang na ako roon, do not want to read their history, period. Well, okay. I may have to read the history again, all over again. The question, who wrote the book? And I'm not trying to question that. My experience and whatever knowledge that I acquire from reading the book, if it doesn't conform to what my experience was back then, up to the present, to which I still believe and hold on to that belief, who are you to tell me revisionist and distortionist? Stephen Tulfo. Who are you to say that for those who cannot remember have a tendency to write a new one? No, we're not writing a new history here. If it doesn't conform, it doesn't mean that we're distorting it. If it doesn't conform to what the history is saying about martial law, it doesn't mean that we're revising or distorting. That's a generalization. What's the logic?